Hi students, how are you today? I hope you're doing good. We are going to finish our lesson 51 today, our last lesson of the week. And the first thing we're going to do is we are going to identify some team numbers here on my screen, and then you'll be moving into your red math book. So looking up here at the first number, is this a T number? Yes. What T number? 16. Next number, is this a T number? Yes. What T number? 19. Is this a T number? No. Is this a T number? No. Is this a T number? No. Is this a T number? Yes. What T number? 12. Okay, boys and girls, now you need to get out your red math book and a nice sharpened pencil. And we are on lesson 51. And that is on page 69 in your red math book. So go ahead and open your math workbook to page 69, and I will display it up here for you, my copy of it. Okay, boys and girls, and this is what page 69 should look like in your workbook. And I'd like you to touch the hat in the top row, and I'd like for you to read the problems. Read the first problem. 3 plus 5 equals. Read the next problem. Oh, look, it starts with a T number. Read the problem. 17 plus 2 equals. Good job. We're going to work these problems out. Go back to the first problem. Touch the number that you'll make lines for. Are you touching the 5? Good job. Go ahead and make lines for the 5. Now touch the number you'll get going. Are you touching the 3? Go ahead, get 3 going, and count the 5 lines. Get ready. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What does 3 plus 5 equal? 8. Write an 8 next to the equals. Read the whole fact. 3 plus 5 equals 8. Good job. Touch the next problem. Touch the number you'll make lines for. You should be touching the 2. Go ahead and make lines for the 2. Now touch the number you'll get going. What number? 17. Get 17 going and count the lines. Ready? 17, 18, 19. 17 plus 2 equals 19. And how do you write 19? With a 1 and a 9. Read the whole fact, boys and girls. 17 plus 2 equals 19. Go down to the house in the next row. Boys and girls, you're going to practice writing a couple of team numbers. What is the first part of a team number? Is 1, right? Touch the space where you'll write the first team number. Okay? On the first line, you will write the number 13. What number? 13. What's the first part of 13? 1. What's the other part of 13? 3. Okay? You should have 1, 3 written on the front line. Touch the next line where you'll write the next number. And the next number you're going to write is 12. What number? 12. What's the first part of 12? 1. What's the other part of 12? 2. For 12, you should have written down 1, 2. Okay, good job. Next, you're going to go down and you're going to touch the mouse on your worksheet. You're going to work problems that take away. Touch and read the takeaway problem next to the mouse. Read it. 7 take away 3 equals. Read the other takeaway problem. 6 take away 5 equals. Okay, we're going to go ahead and we're going to work out that first problem. So when we do a takeaway problem, which number do you make lines for? You make lines for the number you start with, right? And what number do you start with? The 7. So you're going to make lines for the 7. How many lines will you make? 7 lines. Go ahead and make lines for the 7 and then stop. Now touch the number that tells you how many to take away. How many will you take away? 3. Boys and girls, take away 3 lines and write the number you end up with. Go ahead. Did everyone get 5 for that one? If so, good job. Go ahead and read the fact. 7 take away 3 equals 5. Let's work the next problem. Touch the number that you'll start with, that you'll make lines for. You should be touching the 6. Go ahead and make lines for the 6. And then stop. Touch the number you'll take away. 5. Boys and girls, go ahead and cross out 5 lines and write the number you end up with. What number did you end up with, boys and girls? Yes, 1. Go ahead and read the fact. 6 take away 5 equals 1. Good. Good work. Go ahead down to the star. And this part here, we're going to plus 1. Okay? Before we do that, we're going to get warmed up here. So I'm going to say problems that plus 1, and you'll say the whole thing. Remember, when you plus 1, you say the next number. So if the number's 5, the next number would be 6. If the number's 7, the next number would be 8. Okay? So let's practice some plus 1 problems together. So the first number is 5. What's 5 plus 1? 6. Say the whole thing. 5 plus 1 equals 6. Listen. 40 plus 1. Think of what comes after 40 if we're counting. 41. Say the whole fact. 40 plus 1 equals 41. Listen. 2. What's 2 plus 1? 3. Say the whole fact. 2 plus 1 equals 3. Listen. 6 plus 1 equals 7. Say the whole fact. 6 plus 1 equals 7. Listen. 23 plus 1 equals 24. Say the whole fact. 23 plus 1 equals 24. Listen. 9 plus 1 equals 10. Say the whole fact. 9 plus 1 equals 10. Last number. 34 plus 1 equals, what comes after 34 is 35. Say the whole fact. 34 plus 1 equals 35. Okay, now boys and girls, I think now that you're warmed up, you could probably do the plus 1 facts here in your book. I'm going to give you a minute to try to work those out on your own. And then we'll check them. Okay. What is 6 plus 1? 7. Going across. What is 2 plus 1? 3. Next row. What is 7 plus 1? 8. Next problem. What is 5 plus 1? 6. Good job, boys and girls. Good job. If you had a hard time with those, or you didn't know what the answers were, you know, maybe plus one could be something that you could be working on at home whenever you get a chance, okay? All right, and one last part that we're going to do today, if you touch the flower, is a couple of word problems, okay? So I'll tell you the word problem, and then you're going to write the symbols for the problems in the space, okay? So touch the first space where you'll write the first problem. Listen to the first problem. Jill found 5 nails. Then she found 3 more nails. How many nails did Jill end up finding? Listen again. Jill found 5 nails. What will you write for the first symbol? 5. Then she found 3 more nails. What will you write for the next symbol? Plus 3 equals. So the whole problem would be 5 plus 3 equals. Touch the number you'll make lines for. The 3. Go ahead and make lines for the 3. Touch the number you'll get going. The 5. Get 5 going and touch the lines. 5, 6, 7, 8. What is 5 plus 3? 8. Say the whole fact. 5 plus 3 equals 8. Good. Touch the line where you'll write the next problem. Okay, listen to the next problem. There were 7 pictures. Then children drew 2 more pictures. How many pictures were all together? Listen again. There were 7 pictures. What's the first symbol? Yes, 7. Then children drew 2 more pictures. What are the rest of the symbols? Plus 2 equals. And touch the number that you'll make lines for. The 2. Make lines for the 2. Touch the number you'll get going. 7. Get 7 going and count the lines. 7. Did you come up with 9? Yes, 9 is the right answer. Read the whole fact. 7 plus 2 equals 9. Okay. Boys and girls, the part that you're going to be doing on your own is the very next page, page 70. So I'm just going to go over it with you real quick. So touch the car row. What number will you trace? 19. Come down to the next row. What 2 numbers will you trace? 8 and 0. Touch the next row. What 2 numbers will you trace? 7 and 3. Good job. So you'll be tracing those. Touch the horse in the next row. Okay. For the horse, there's equal signs, equal sign. There's lines on one side of equals. You'll count the lines you end up with and write it on the other side of the equals, all right? So for this row and for this row, you count the lines you end up with. Touch the chair row. Each problem in this row should have a number with lines under it. So if it gives you the number, you make lines. If it gives you the lines, you write the number, okay? And then touch the elephant part. For the elephant part, for each equals next to the elephant, you're going to cross out the equals if the sides are not equal. So if the number you end up here with here is not the same as this number, you cross it off. If they are the same, you leave it, okay? So go ahead and do the independent parts on your own. And if possible, have a family member take a picture of your work. I would love to be able to see how you're doing. I miss you guys. I hope you're working hard. Bye.